I'm going to show you how to use a propane salamander. Here recently we had some really frigid temperatures across the country, so I know this would have came in handy for some people that had frozen pipes, or even just a way to keep heat in their home or garage. I know this may seem kind of simple to some people, but not everyone came out of the womb knowing everything about everything, so I thought I'd go over this with you today. What you'll need is just a simple little propane salamander. Usually they're pretty cheap, you can find it on Amazon. And then just your regular propane tank that you'd get from your grill outside of them. It's nothing special, it's just the same one that's in your grill. And then you'll also need an extension cord to plug the salamander into, because these have electronic ignition, so you would need an extension cord for this. So as far as heat, you would have to have a generator, but it does work really well for thawing pipes out. Like I said, you're going to need an extension cord, so let me unplug the air compressor here, plug in our extension cord. Make sure you get a nice heavy duty extension cord. You know, that one's about the size of my pinky. You don't want little flimsy 2-prong deals that you use in your house. You want something that's pretty heavy. Plug it in at the salamander here. So now we have it plugged in, and you can hear the fan kicks on once we have it plugged in, so I apologize for the noise of the fan there. So they'll all have instructions on the side of them, but it's pretty simple, usually the same thing you do for all of them. So for this one, you slowly open this gas valve on your tank. You don't want to do that too quick. You're going to hold down this gas button. This lets the gas in. And this red one is just like the igniter on your grill. So you're going to press that, you heard it lit. Now we're going to hold that down for 30 seconds. Just to make sure it's got a good flow and it's holding on to it. You don't have to hold the igniter, just the gas one. Now we'll let go of that. Alright, it's lit. Now, see in there, we got a nice hot flame coming out of there. And one of these 20-pound tanks will last you quite some time. And they really do a lot. When we had this severe storm come through a week or so ago, we had wind chills in the negative. Here, let me turn this off. So to turn it off, we just go ahead and close the gas off. And once you hear that it's the flames out, we can just unplug it. So they're very simple to use. But anyways, a week or so ago when we had this storm, we had, with the wind chills, we were at negative 52, and we were, I think it was negative 14 without the wind chill, and we had frozen pipes, and in our fifth wheel we had our black tank and our gray tank were the valves were actually frozen. So I put that, we have skirting, I put that under there, right there at the valves. I think it was about 30 or 45 minutes. It had everything thawed back out and everything working again. So it's just a nice little thing to have for emergencies, and it can get you out of some trouble. So I just thought I'd show that for people who never used one, or maybe were intimidated by one and weren't sure where they were. So they also come, the bigger ones are normally what you see run on kerosene or diesel. I like the propane. It's a little cleaner, you know, it's not so dirty, smelly, but it's also pretty small, and it's only 30,000 BTU. But like I said, it works for most situations. So if you have frozen pipes, you can take this to an opening in your crawl space, stick it in there. Obviously make sure it's not, the flame's not too close to any combustible items or pointed right at plastic or something, you know. Use your common sense. So, all right, we'll see you on the next video.